Okay, guys. Like, subscribe. Custom built for play. Go mode. Earthquake AE. They don't make this thing anymore, but I think they should. So, with that being said, you see my tracks already. I'm missing a pin in the wheel. I just knocked that out a second ago. But this grass is kind of high, guys. It's not where I usually run at. And that's why I say they should make this truck again, maybe in a V2, because it does wheelie. But this is the wrong tires. My tires got less grip, and it's wet out here too, but it does wheelie. So, I mean, that high grass is the worst, but it muscles through. Okay, guys, that'll be it for today. As you can see, the pin came out. It still was running kind of good. But I only got a little bit of video today. This is not going to be my usually 20 minute. But there you go. Earthquake. Custom built for play. Go mode. Like, subscribe, guys.